sibophezele ekuthanini siwine ukhetho, sizolwina ukhetho eSouth Africa.
Abaphathi be-ANC bathi bayazithemba bazolithumba ikhetho langomhla ka-29 inyanga le.
We have invited back the experienced detectives who have left the organization honorable.
Umnyango wamapholisa ubuyisa amapholisa besele akhambile amanye athethe umhlala phasi uqinisa isandla phezulu kobulelesi.
The Springboks.
Amabhokobhoko abuthe kwasana emnyanyeni wabonongorwana ezemidlalo izolo ebusuku eSun City. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa izindaba godu ku-SABC1 akwande mzukulu. ANC ithi nanyana kunentshijilo ilizwe eliqalene nazo kodwa nesesenethemba lokuthi izokuthumba emakhethweni azako la kawoke. Ihlangano le ithumele wonke amalunga wekomiti yayo ekulu mahlangothi wonke kwaZulu Natal. ANC ithi sele ibhinqe iqedile ngehlangothini lokuzibawela amavoti esifundeni lesi ngaphambili kwamakhetho. Isifunda saKwaZulu Natal isifunda sesibili ngobukhulu abazihlolisele ukuvota kanti iGauteng ikhamba phambili ngabantu abadlula ku-5.7 million.
Ubuholi be-ANC bubeke wonke amalunga we-ANC-NEC ukuthi ayozibawela amavoti ivekele ngaphambi kwamakhetho. Umengameli wehlangano le uCyril Ramaphosa bekakhuluma emhlanganweni okhethekileko eThekwini. Amalunga we-NEC ayogqala mahlangothi wonke wesifundesi ngemizamo yokuvuselela ukuvota. Isifunda saKwaZulu Natal sibalwa hlangana nezinye imfunda ezinabantu abanengi abavotela i-ANC elizweni leli. Umkhulumeli we-ANC Zombelele uthi ihlangano le isenethemba lokuthi izowathumba amakhetho ezakola nangaphandle kwentshijilo uhulumende aqalene nazo ezifana nokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi nokuhlayelwa kwezenzela zomphakathi endaweni ezinye.
Sizolwina ukhetho eSouth Africa. Kodwa ke sifocuse kakhulu kwi-province kwisifundazwe kulezi insuku nje ezilandelayo ukusebenza umsebenzi obuvele wenziwa i-leadership yesifundazwe thina kwethu ukuthi nje sizobaqinisa baqinise ngisho idolo.
uBhengu Mutsiri uthi isiqundo sehlangano le sokuphakamisa ukuthi ukulalela kwecala likaMengameli waphambilini uJacob Zuma kuchithiselwe phambili bevele silungile.
Inqumo so uthi kuhlehliswe ukuhlala kwale hearing ka Mr Jacob Zuma uthathwe ngesizathu sokubukelela isafety ya bantu abasebenzela uANC nabantu abahlalayo nje lapha eduze kwaseLuthuli House ku 54 Pigs lika Isaka Semi Street eGoli. Isona sodwa nje isizathu salokho akukho kunye.
Amalunga amanye weANC azokusala kwaZulu Natal ngemva kwesikhathi abekelwe senesiso ukuzibawela amavoto.
Ihlangano ye-Democratic Alliance ithi ikulungele ukuketula ihlangano ebusako. Ihlango lezakhamuzi zeMpumalanga emrarweni wokuhlayela kwezenzelwa zomphakathi. Kanti umholi we-DA uJohn Steenhuisen udose phambili umtshagalo wezenzelwa kumasipalata weGovernberg eBethal. Indawo le iqalene nomraro wezenzelwa ekufaka hlangana amanzi, igezi, indlela nezindlu.
Kusela amalanga ama-23 ngaphambi kwelanga lamakhetho okuhlayela kwezenzelwa kusesemraro lapha. Ezakhamuzi zithi amanzi akakahlwengeki indlela zigcwele imigodigodi kanti negezi nayo iqendeliswa isikhathi esidluleleko.
Umasipala unokusofara amanzi angcolile, amanzi anothuvu, amanzi anothuvu and futhi ama-potholes ala kule ndawo awekho right.
Indlela yaseKavini Mbeki especially la eBethal nasemzinoni yimbi kabi, akuhambeki noma kunemvula imoto ziyalimala umasipala akakhona ukubhadala lokho.
iDA ithonyeke khulu ngalokhu. Umholi we-DA uJohn Steenhuisen ukhombela izakhamuzi bona zenza umehluko ngamakhetho. Ihlangano le inethemba lokubana izokwathumba amakhetho.
We had to hand over a memorandum, but also to put them on notice that we're not going to take this anymore, and this election is going to give people a chance to vote the corrupt out, vote in a new government, and prevent a doomsday coalition from taking over and burning the country.
Ihlangano le inikela imphathimandla zikamasipalata weGovernberg incwadi yenililo.
Ungqongqotjhe wegezi uDr Khosiyensu Ramokgopa ugandelele bona ukungaqindelisa kwegezi isikhathi esidlula inyanga akuhlangane nakancane nokuzibawela amavoti njengoba namakhetho asemnyango nje. uRamokgopa utsho lokho nabe kakhuluma nembiki indaba ngamahlelo omnyango wakhe wokunzinzisa amandla wegezi.
Semachumamana malanga solo iEskom ijamisa ukuqindelisa kwegezi. Ungqongqotjhe wegezi uDr Khosiyensu Ramokgopa uthi konke lokhu kumphumela wokusebenza ngokuzimisela emzameni wabo yokuqeda ukuqindeliswa igezi nomphela.
Today marks 40 days without interruption of power supply. And I really want to pause here and just express my most sincere appreciation on behalf of Cabinet and I'm sure the people of the country to the men and women at Eskom for the work that they are doing, the diligent commitment, ensuring that they do everything possible to address the challenge of load shedding.
uRamokgopa uveze wona mraro iEskom eqalene nawo endabeni yokucinywa kwegezi. Kodwana nanyana njalo uthi njengoba nasebakwazile ukufumana umrapho wakhona nje kutsho ukuthi ukuthinga phambili imraro ekhona sele izokurarululeka.
Our biggest enemy is to ensure that we address the issue of the units failing, what in technical speak they refer to as unplanned capacity loss factor. So this, like I said before, it talks to the reliability of the units just failing on their own, and or issue like the efficiency of the units not giving us the megawatts that we want. Although they are not failing, they are not going off the grid, but they are not performing at the level that we want.
uRamokgopa uthi ungaqindeliswa kwegezi akutsho ukuthi bazibawela amavoti.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ngale ndaba esisanda ukudlula kiyo. Asiza umbono wakho mbukeli uyalandela. Umbona ke umbukeli SABC ayizukuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Nasibuya entolo ibhukile ichiho ngenxa yokubiza kakhulu kwezinto abantu abaningi. Sisaraga nendaba lapha ku SABC 1 nawusanda ukufika siyakwamkela nawe. Umnyango wamapolisa usehlelweni lokubuyisa amalunga wephiko elikhethekileko lamapolisa kunye nabufokisi abanelemuko abaphumelele ebuthweni lamapolisa. Ungqongqotjhe wamapolisa ubheka icela uthi ihlelo lokubuyisa kwamapolisa anelemuko eselese asebenze lapho kunye mizamo yokuqinisa ipi yokulwa nobulelesi. Kanti ucele ubekhuluma nembiki indaba emnyanyeni wokuhlanganisa umnyanya wejima leOperations Shanela.
Ngomhla ka-8 kuMrhayili omnyaka opheleleka amapolisa ethula ijima lokulwa nobulelesi i-Operation Shanela. Ijimeli elizingaba eziningi belenzelwa nokuthi amapolisa abonakala ngobuningi emphakathini. Ngemva komnyaka ijimeli lethula ngobotsha abasolwa ngokulelesa abayi-616,000. Ijimeli lihlangana qobe veke ngabomvulo ukuqala ubujamo bezinto.
Working on analysis of every week, it helps that learn the patterns. For instance, maybe what has not said up to this, there was a time when we started on Thursday, there was a time where the crime pattern changed to Tuesday and Wednesday.
Nanyana libonakala linendima nje kodwa lokho kuveza bona sisandle sifunekako ekulweni nobulelesi.
We have not arrived. There is still a lot of ground to cover. But things that we do alone and privately every Monday, wanted to share it out there what we do. We are also working on strengthening the organization. As you know that we are training more officers.
Iphiko elikhethekileko lamapolisa i-Special Task Force Unit lahlekelwe malunga amaningi ajoyine iinkampani zabogadi bangeqadi ngombana lapho bafumana umrholo ongcono. wasala kugedla ke ephikweni.
We have invited back the experienced detectives who have left the organization honorable. Is one area where we've been really put down when it comes to the detectives. Quite several of them are coming back.
Nanya nituthuki bonakala ngokunjalo namapholisa abonakala emphakathini kodwa nakusaliwa nabo ngamandla ubulelisi elizweni lekhethu.
Zingaphezulu kwamachumi amabili inkolo ezifundisa abantwana abakhubazeke ngokuhlukahlukana eLimpopo. Nanyana kunjalo ababelethi babawe uhulumende bona alenze libe lula ihlelo lokufakwa kwembawo zefundo enkolweni lezi.
Abafundi besikole esikhethekileko iChilabisuku Razimisani Special School bagidinga ukuhlonywa kwehlelo lefundo bandakanya wonke umuntu. Umnqopho wehleleli kuqinisekisa ukuthi bonke abantwana banikelwa amathuba alinganako wefundo esisekelo. Bangaphezulu kwamakhulu amabili abafundi esele bazihlolisela ukufunda esikolweni lesi, kanti akunambandela yokuthi umfundi angafundela ini ngombana kuyangenda ayithandako nekhono analo ukuthi angangenela ini. Hlangana nabanye abafundi mntwana kaNdangabeneni Mabunga weminyaka eli-16 ubudala. Uphuthishejo wabelethwa nobulwelwe i-attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Unina lomntwana lo uthi khabe kubudisi ukwamukela ubujamo bomntwana wakhe. Begodi uthi wasuka wathonya khulu indaba yokuthi umsanyana wakhe wesibili naye uyokuninwa esikolweni ngonobangela wokutholakala anobulwelwe obufana nobumna kwabo.
It was too hard for me to accept Uri, my second child also have disability. It was straining to know that my second child is also going to a special school.
Unyombelethi uMatotsi Mulamabo naye ukhumbula bonke ubudisa adlule kuyibo njengomma onomntazinyana one-autism.
At first, I didn't want to get my child here at the local village that I'm staying at. I even go to Pulukwane, I even go to Toyando there, and then I realized I cannot nurse somebody else's child, whereas I've got my own child whom I'm ashamed of. So I must be strong and not be ashamed of my daughter.
Umnyango wezefundo eLimpopo uthi nanyana abanentshijilo zemali nje kodwana bazokwenza konke okusemendleni bona baqinisekise ukuthi abantwana baphila nokukhubazeka komkhumbulo bafumana ifundo.
Limpopo as a whole has 25 schools for learners with severe intellectual disabilities. And these schools are not municipally or locally based, and it wouldn't be correct for us as the province to say they are enough. Maybe we don't need a special school in each and every local municipality, but we need enough with enough facilities.
Ababelethi abantwana abakhubazekileko bayeleliswa bona bavele ngaphambili.
To the parents who have kids with disability, come out of the closet. Tell people what's happening around your life, because you'll die and no one will know how to treat your kids.
Iningi lezinto ezenziwa abafundi aba zigcina zithengiselwa emaraka. Hlangana nokhunye abafundi laba bahlonyiswa ngamakhono ofundwa aphathelene nezamabhizinisi ukwenzela ukuthi bakwazi ukuzibandakanya ekukhuliseni umnotho welizwe.
Ibhokile ichiho abantu abanengi bayalila. Ihlolombone yenziwe ikomishini yezamaphaliswano ifumene ukuthi abantu abanengi sebadanela ibhlekeni lefesi njengesitshebo bayidla nomratha. Usesenechudo wena uyidla nobrotho.
Umbiko uveza intengo zaphakathi kwaka 2001 nekuthomeni kwaka 2024. Intengo zokudla bezigadiwe ngezamafutha okupheka, ifish oil, ubrotho obubrown, amaqanda, ikukhu nepuphu. Ikomishini yezamaphaliswano ithi umbiko lo uphendula indleko zokudla eziphezulu abantu abaqalene nazo khulukhulu emndenini leyo engakajame kuhle. Nengokubangele konke lokhu hlangana nakho umthelela weBA Ukraine ophazamisa ukuthunyelwa kokudla okusanthorwana nendanga ezihluzi oli nomgomano wenkukhu okhe wafika mhlapha nawo uthi umonakala entengweni yamaqanda.
We up the rising popularity of canned fish from the reporting which was done by the listed entities that trade in canned fish and produce canned fish. And across the board, there have been these volume increases. which they report. So their revenue increased, but not necessarily, but because of a combination of price and volume increases.
Abantu abanengi bachugulukele ebhlekeni lefesi. Ikomishini leyithi nakuyinyama ekomo yona mabonano abantu sebayigcina emnyanyeni nakhona nayikhona kanti kwasayona ifesi le yabiza kuzinyama ekukhu namaqanda okusesengconywana zimbhontshisi aloke emsinazo angeze wazidla ngamalanga ngabangenye nakhona apho.
Inkutane zebhigiri yephasi yomnyaka ophelileko kaMakhakhulararhwe amabhokobhoko kunye nehlangano engamele uMakhakhulararhwe SA Rugby zibe bathumba abakhulu kimbonongorwana bezemidlalo ama-SA Sports Awards izolo. Amabhokobhoko athumbe abonongorwana abunani. Ukapteni wesiqhema uSiya Kolisi wathumba abonongorwana ababili Sports Star of the Year kunye ne-People's Choice of the Year.
Amabhokobhoko ayaraga nokwenza izibukwako nokukhuthaza elizweni lokhu kuvela izolo nababutha abonongorwana kibonongorwana bezemidlalo ama-SA Sports Awards labathumbe khona abonongorwana ababunane. Ukapteni wesiqhema uSiya Kolisi uthumbe abonongorwana ababili ekungabakhulu kibonongorwana aba i-Sports Star ne-People's Choice. Umlinganakhe u-Eben Etzbeth omdlalo womnyaka kibonongorwana be-SA Rugby uthumbe unongorwana we-Sportsman of the Year. Umani Liboko uthumbe unongorwana womdlalo osasemutsha i-Newcomer of the Year.
I just want to say keep pushing, keep believing, keep chasing your dreams because I believe everything is possible in life. Thank you.
Umbandula amabhokobhoko uyakuninaba uthumbe unongorwana wombandulo womnyaka wathi isiqhema samabhokobhoko sathumbe unongorwana wesiqhema somnyaka. uMalcolm Marx wamukela unongorwana lo wathokoza amaSouth Africa.
A big thank you must go to the fans and the supporters that sent messages of encouragement to us throughout our journey. Thank you very much.
Akurari bona ihlangano engamele uMakhakhulararhwe elizweni lithumbe unongorwana wehlangano yezemidlalo i-National Federation of the Year kanti akhange kuphelele lapho. Umengameli wehlangano uMark Alexander uthumbe unongorwana wokuphatha ihlangano i-Administrator of the Year.
I'm truly honored to receive this award, but it truly belongs to my executive for their dedication and commitment over the last 8 years, steering us through the most difficult period in the history of rugby. So I accept this award on their behalf. I thank you.
Udlala umdlalo wokuthaya ngesikepe uKirsten Noishafa uthumbe unongorwana we-Sportswoman of the Year kwathi uSimon Kruger okhubazekileko ophosa i-shot put ne-discus wathumbe unongorwana we-Sportswoman of the Year wabakhubazekileko. Umpumelelo Mhlongo omgijimo okhubazekileko wathumba i-Sportsman of the Year wabakhubazekileko.
Akwande Sibu ilothe selithoma ukuzwakala ngaphandle apha ingabe abazubi bayile ukuyokuzuma namhlanje
umbukeli okhona osekhaya siyathokoza Cedric sibuyile okuzuma hlangana nendaba esizibhetheko ngilezi ezithi amapholisa lapha esifundeni seMpumalanga vela ukuthi batsho ambophe kabutsha umsolwa osolwa ngokudumuza abulale isisebenzi sakumasipala weSteve Tshwete sehlakalo isisenzeka ngomnyaka ka-2022 ngale kwalokho siyokhulumisana noNkhethani ozijameleko ongenele amakhetho wanonyaka yokubanjwa ngomhla ka-29 kuyona inyanga le. Ihlangano ye-ANC vela ukuthi ithethe igadango lokuthi ithulise ukuthi ibize ikomiti yayo ekhalimako ukuzokhalima loyo okabe angumengameli uJacob Zuma. Lezi-ke ngezihlangana nezinye esibuye nazo enambama namhlanje. Sithokoza kakhulu kwamambala.
Siyathokoza Sibu. Akwande Busayi?
Akwande Cedric.
Sekuthuma ukuluma ngaphandle lapha. Zithini izangoma zizulu?
Umoya nawo uyachidela ngale ngeKapa kodwa ke maphakathi nenarha yeSouth Africa nokho sibona kusafuthumele endaweni eziningi. Sizakuza nazo ngokuzeleko. Asikiloshise mbukele ekhaya entambama ngomvulo ke sicalele ukuthi bunjani ke ubujamo bezulu livulile inarha yonke le yeSouth Africa zinkomba zomoya lezi ozibonako ezichinga eSouth ninarha kodwa ke naki moya omakhazana lo esikhuluma ngawo ochidela eKapa uchinga lapha ke eCape Town sizawubona ke ukuthi kusasa uletha lapha amathutshana wezulu alinganiselwa ku60 nokho ngegwini ukuthi na ungena ngaphakathi nesifunda sangaleke ngejinga langa Kapa athi ukukhula nge30% South Africa isavulekile ke kodwa ezinye indawo eziningi siza kuchidela ke ukuthi ukwazi ukubona amazinga okuchisa sokuthoma ngapha ngesifundeni sangeGauteng libonakala lifuthumele ngapho ngeBreyton obukhulu nge29 nangapho ngePitori kubo Mamelodi Soshanguve nge29 eJohannesburg ibuya nganeno ke yona ke ithi ukufuthumala nge27 sichinga lapha ke esifundeni sangeLimpopo sokuqala ukuthi khona kunjani na kulapha eliphala lengakuyachisa kodwa ke nawuthi uyaqala ke ezinye indawo lapho bophulukwane lifuthumele nge28 lapha eTzanini nangapha ke ngePhalaburwa nge30 nange32 siyokhamba sokuqala lapha isifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga sibone ukuthi khona kunjani na ngapho ngakuboMiddelburg emalahleni kubomhlanga kwaGafontein libonakala lifuthumele ngale ngesikhukhuza ke lithi ukuchisa nge33 abantu bazakuchecha bayelelekile sasifunda siyalapha ke kwaZulu Natal sibone ukuthi khona kunjani iDurban iyachisa nge30 ngemva kwaMadina iLady Smith ichise khudlwana ke nge31 lapha eKokstad khona sibona ke kufuthumele nge29 sicala lapha ke sifunda sangale ngeMpumalanga Kapa sibonakala sichisa endaweni eziningi kulapha eGqeberha la kufuthumele khona nge27 imthatha ichise nge32 lapha ke eJingalanga Kapa siyabona ukuthi iCape Town ngemva kwaMadina izakuthi kuphola kube ngakumakhazana nge19 lapha ke eMossel Bay kupholile nge21 kuthi lapha eBeaufort West khona ke kuyachisa nge31 degrees Celsius sifunda sangale ke ngeTlhagwini Kapa sisibona siyachisa endaweni eziningi eSpringbok yona ke ipholile nge23 Sutherland iphole khudlwana nge21 kodwa ke Uppington liyababa nge23 kezinye indawo sibona lapha kufuthumele sifunda sangale ngeFreystata siyachisa lapha kubo Welcome bese endaweni eziningi ukuthi ke ukufuthumala sibona lapha ke iSasolburg ifuthumele nge27 iKroonstad nge28 sokuqala kokugcina sifunda sangale ke ngeNorthwest ukuthi sona sikhamba njani Taung ibonakala ngayachisa nge30 Tosca nge31 iRustenburg ke ibuya nganeno ifuthumele nge28 sibona lapha eMahikeng yona ke ifuthumele nge29 bungakobujamo bezulu besiphathele bona namhlanje sasibonana kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelayo Dido